Yes. No. Maybe. Perhaps. Please. Thanks. Thank you. Thanks very much. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Don't mention it. Not at all. Hi. Hello. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Bye. Goodbye. Good night. See you. See you soon. See you later. Have a nice day. Have a good weekend. Excuse me. Sorry. No problem. It's okay. That's okay. Do you speak English? I don't speak English. I don't speak much English. I only speak very little English. I speak a little English. Please speak more slowly. Please write it down. Could you please repeat that? I understand. I don't understand. I know. I don't know. Excuse me, where's the toilet? Excuse me, where's the gents?
Excuse me, where's the ladies?
Entrance. Exit. Emergency exit. Push. Pull. Toilets. WC. Gentlemen. Gents. Ladies. Vacant. Occupied. Engaged. Out of order. No smoking. Private. No entry.